Hello, this is Transnistria speaking. That is the Russian name of Transnistria. And Joel from Canada is here today, the pioneer who discovered the country just now. So, your impressions, please.
I mean, what can I say about Transnistria? It's a great place. Anton here is a fantastic tour guide. And I don't know what to say. I mean, like, there's plenty of sights to see. The people, let me tell you, are fantastic, very welcoming. And the beer is amazing as well. Shouldn't I say about the beer is amazing?
Yeah, we drank kvas, by the way. It's non-alcoholic drink, but it's like refreshing and cool. It's made of bread, like old Soviet recipe.
Yeah, it's like the healthy version of Coca-Cola. I'd actually rather drink that than Coca-Cola.
Okay, cool. So don't be afraid, mount up and visit the country that doesn't exist.
Yeah.